mahalagang maintindihan ang panganib na dulot ng kagat o kalbot ng hayop.
Tila bayani para sa mga fur baby ang mag-partner na
Hello Pilipinas and welcome to Positive Change. I'm Vana. I'm Shanta.
And I'm Vana. As together, we bring you stories of hope, highlighting the challenges and celebration heroes working to improve animals across our nation.
From the bustling streets of Manila to the serene rice paddies of the countryside, animals play an integral role in Filipino life. But are we doing enough to protect them?
The current situation, while the growing awareness, the Philippines faces a significant hardness with animal welfare.
It's a thought reality, but knowledge is power. What are some of the key laws in place to protect our animals?
Now, let's turn to some inspiring stories of individuals and organizations making a real difference.
We found them, abandoned and injured, with a lot of love entered deep, made a fully recovery, and are now ready for adoption.
Stories are incredibly moving. What can our viewers do to support these organizations?
There are many ways to help. You can donate, volunteer your time, or even foster an animal in need. Every little bit makes difference. Get practical. Here are some simple steps you can take to for welfare become a champion animal.
And remember, responsible pet owner is the key. Provide your animals with proper food, shelter, and veterinary care.
That's all the time we have for today on Positive Change. Thank you for joining us in our mission to create a kinder, more compassionate Philippines for all animals.
Until next time, remember to be the change you wish to see in the world. Mabuhay ang mga hayop!